Hey guys, it's Keezy here today, and today I have a very exciting video for you guys today, so make sure that you stick to the very end. But today we'll be restyling G3 Frankie. I'm super excited. I've been waiting to do this one for a while, so let's get into it. One of the things I've been really enjoying about the G3 ghouls is that they don't have any product in their hair. So, of course, Frankie did not have any product in their hair. So it's going to be a really easy restyle today. And let me tell you what we'll be going for today. So we're going to be giving Frankie bangs because in their original artwork, they were actually meant to have bangs. So that's what I'm going to be doing, is giving them the exact same look that they were supposed to have in the artist's concept sketch. So as you can see, all I was doing is brushing all the hair forward as much as possible, then taking a little rubber band to secure everything around their neck. Once everything has been secured, I'm just going to pour some boiling water over the head so that we can flatten out those bangs and get rid of Frankie's middle part. If you're ever thinking about giving your doll bangs, dolls with middle parts are the easiest to do because they typically have enough coverage to when you pull the hair in front, you won't see any bald spots, which is what we want. So as I stated, I'll be pouring boiling water over the head just to make sure that everything stays flat and in place. I usually do this process about 4 to 5 times, eventually removing the rubber band so that I can comb the hair forward and make sure that everything stays in place. After a boil wash, I always think it's a good idea to run some cold water throughout the doll's hair just so that you can set whatever style you did in place. And this is what Frankie looks like after the cold water rinse. Now we're going to go to cutting the bangs. I wish I could say that I have some type of pro tip for cutting the hair, but all I will say is start long and slowly inch your way up to getting shorter and shorter when it comes to bangs. The last thing that you want to do is cut it too short in the first go because you'll have to either reroot the hair or get another doll at that point. So as you can see, I slowly took my time, cut it to the exact length. Fun fact, I've actually already done this on another doll and I did cut it a tad bit too short, so it was imperative that I took my time with this one. Okay, and then once Frankie's bangs are to my desired length, all I'm going to do is give them some waves. In the concept art, Frankie's hair is wavy. I'm not sure if the artist just did that for dramatic effect or that was the intention for their hair, but all I'm going to do is give them some light loose waves, and I actually have a tutorial already up on my channel doing this. I'll leave a card up above where I did this on my Laguna doll. Okay, and the last step in Frankie's restyle is we're going to set those waves in their hair. So I'm going to do a boil wash followed by a ice bath to set everything, and then we'll take a look at the final result. Hey guys, it's Keezy here today, and today I have something super exciting for you guys. So I want to tell you guys thank you so much for 1K subscribers. I'll be honest, I didn't think that we would hit it that soon, but I just wanted to come to you guys. Thank you guys for all the love and all the support that I've received on each one of my videos. It truly means the world to me. I honestly cannot believe I'm sitting here today right now saying that we have reached 1K subscribers. I wanted to thank you guys so much for coming back every single week the way you do. Even if I don't reply to them, I see every one of your comments and read every single one of them. And honestly, it means so much to me that you guys come back week after week. And I really love the community that we're building here. And yeah, I just really wanted my channel to be a safe space where people can learn about different things about their dolls. So it just truly means the world to me that you guys come and join me every single week. As a thank you to you guys, I want to do a 1K subscriber giveaway. I really wanted to show my love and appreciation to you guys. This giveaway is 100% funded by me. I believe I have to say that. And entering will be super easy. You only have to do 2 different steps. So step number 1 will be, of course, you have to be a subscriber to this channel. And the second thing that you'll have to do to enter this giveaway is leave a comment down below what doll in your collection brings you the most peace.
Alright guys, voiceover Keezy here. I wanted to step in because this next part that I say I realize doesn't make sense. So I want to clarify, there will be 3 winners of 3 separate prizes and they will be chosen at random. Alright, just wanted to clarify that. Back to Keezy from the past.
And when you meet those 2 things, you'll be eligible to win 3 different prizes. This is an international giveaway, so my people overseas, you also can join in. So the giveaway will end on this Friday, December 16th, and the winner will be announced on my Tuesday upload on 12/20. So again, I just want to thank you guys so much for 1K subscribers. I love that you guys are all here. I love you guys, and now let's look at the final result.
Alright guys, and that is all for my G3 Frankie Restyle. What do you guys think of them? I am actually super excited that they will be going to one of you guys. Hopefully somebody will appreciate them. I don't know, maybe that was a bad idea, but let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. Of course, don't forget to enter the giveaway by this Friday. Of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to join the Peace, Love, and Plastic family, hit that subscribe button down below as well. I love you guys. Again, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I cannot wait to see what comes next. Peace.